Good day, ma'am and sir. It is my pleasure to introduce myself with you. My name is Angelica B. Camalaw from Tabuk City, Philippines. I was born on August 23, 1998, and I am 26 years old at this time. I am married and I have two daughters. Their ages 8 and 4 years old. I am a high school graduate. We are 5 siblings in the family. I have 3 brothers and 1 sister, and I am the eldest in the family. I worked in the Philippines for 4 years, started March 2018 to April 2022. I have served 1 couple and 2 children, their ages 9 and 5 years old. I also work as a domestic helper in Singapore for 1 year and 4 months, started October 2023 to March 2025. I serve 1 couple and 2 children, their ages 5 and 2 years old. My duties and responsibilities as a helper is taking care of children, doing all household chores, general cleaning, cooking, marketing, washing the dishes, washing and ironing clothes. Sir, ma'am, I am willing to take good care of newborn baby. I am also willing to teach them how to read and write in English. I want to work in Hong Kong for my dream and my family. To my future employer, I promise I will do my duties and very best to you as my employer. And I promise that I will finish my contract with you. Thank you and God bless.